চৈতন্য চন্দ্রে দয়া কৃষ্ণ হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে 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 রাম 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 হরে 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 কৃষ্ণ করহ বিচার বিচার করিলে চিত্তে পাবে চমৎকার। It's wonderful mercy of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. If you think it of very seriously and deeply, you will feel amazed, exclaimed, what is his mercy? If you collect the statistics of the all merciful persons and all mercies they have bestowed and compare it with the mercy of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, then you will find even Krishna himself is not so merciful. His incarnations are not so merciful. Understand? As Mahaprabhu is merciful. You understand? So, out of causeless mercy, he appeared here. And for us, the people of Kali Yuga, most degraded, most fallen Kali Yuga people, are all consciously and unconsciously addicted to sinful activities, patita pamor. But indiscriminately, he embraces one and all. Uttama adhama kichu na bachilo, jachiye dile ko kol, kohe premananda yemana gaurange hrudaye dhoriya bol. Bhaja gauranga koho gauranga, lo gaurangero namori. Bolo. Bhaja gauranga kaha gauranga, lo gaurangero namori. Je jana gauranga bhaje, se hoi amaro pranori. Je jana গাউরাঙ্গ ভোজি সে হই আমার প্রাণরি। ভজ গৌরাঙ্গ কহ গৌরাঙ্গ, ল গৌরাঙ্গের নামরি। ভজ গৌরাঙ্গ কহ গৌরাঙ্গ, ল গৌরাঙ্গের নামরি। যে জন গৌরাঙ্গ ভোজি সে হই আমার প্রাণরি। যে জন গৌরাঙ্গ ভোজি সে হই আমার। প্রেমানন্দ দাস, a Vaishnava poet, he says like that. উত্তম অধম কিছু না বাঁচিল, যাচিয়ে দিল কপট। He never discriminated whether one is qualified or uttama or adham. Never discriminated. Jachid embraced one and all. Such wonderfully magnanimous, wonderfully merciful, wonderfully munificent. Bhaja gauranga, koho gauranga, lo gaurangera namari. Je jana gauranga bhoje, se hoy amar pran. Thanks the name of Gauranga. Utter name of Gauranga. Speak about Gauranga. Anu does this. He is my life and soul. Gruhe ba bonite thake ha Gauranga boli dake. Narottama mage tar sanga. Isn't it? Murali Badak Prabhu. Narottam Das begs his association. And maybe in Griha or in Vana, Grihavasi or Vanavasi. Follow my language? Huh? Come here, Maharaj. Why sitting there? Come to my front. Maybe a Grihavasi, Vanavasi, residing in Griha or Vana in forest. Ha Gauranga boli raki. Always say, ha Gauranga. Narottama mage tar sangha. Narottama Das begs for his association. Mahaprabhu came. Sriman Mahaprabhu came. What he gave, you see. These Kali Yuga people cannot do anything. Any sadhana they cannot do. Lifespan is so short. Again it's becoming shorter, shorter, shorter due to the sinful activities. Prayanal payusa kalavasmin juge jana mandas manda matayo manda bhagyahi upadruta. Isn't it? All payusa. So lifespan is becoming shorter, shorter, shorter. Everything bad. Intelligence is bad. Everything, power, memory power is bad. Your, what is say, bhagya, fortune is bad. Everything bad. Isn't it? What these people can do? Can't do anything. So Mahaprabhu is so wonderfully merciful. He gave the highest thing. Everything not given in any other yugas. That is Nam Prem. That's Nam Prem. Do you understand? By chanting this holy name, he gave this. And Nityananda Prabhu is more merciful than Mahaprabhu. Is more merciful, more magnanimous, more munificent. Do you understand? Both these two brothers, Gaur or Nitai, they appeared and gave this holy name. Do you understand? Nitai naam এনেছে নামের হাটে, নিতাই নাম এনেছে নামের হাটে, শ্রদ্ধা মূলে নাম দিতেছে রে, শ্রদ্ধা মূলে নাম দিতেছে. Do you understand? Murali Bhadak Prabhu, this morning you are saying Shraddha. নিতাই নাম এনেছে নামের হাতে, শ্রদ্ধা মূলে নাম দিতেছে রে. হরে কৃষ্ণ 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 হরে হরে, হরে রাম রাম রাম. This is name. He has brought this name from Golok Vrindavan. Goloker Premadhana Hari Nam Sankirtana. This doesn't belong to this planet, this earthly planet, material world. Do you understand? He has opened a marketplace for name. Nam Hatta. Nityananda Mahajana. He has opened a marketplace where this name is sold and purchased. Isn't it? What is the price? What is the price? Shraddha mule naam diteche re. Price is Shraddha. Do you understand? Murali Bhadak Prabhu. Only price is Shraddha. Shraddha means Shraddha sabde vishwasa kahe sudruda nishchay. Krishne bhakti koile sarva karma krita hoy. You follow Maharaj? Shraddha means sudruda vishwasa, unflinching faith. Shraddha sabde vishwasa kahe sudruda nishchay. Strong faith, unflinching faith is Shraddha. Do you understand? That is the price. Shraddha mule naam diteche. Krishna bhakti kaile sarva karma krita hoy. If you develop Krishna bhakti, all your works, all your duty, all your obligations finished. No more left out. Then, have you faith in this? Have you strong faith?